The ocean is a world of mystery. It is a realm of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure. It is a place where strange creatures lurk and secrets lie hidden. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the ocean and its mysteries. We have explored its surface, plumbed its depths, and studied its inhabitants. But the ocean still holds many secrets. One of the most intriguing mysteries of the ocean is the sound known as bloop. In 1997, scientists at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, detected a strange, powerful sound emanating from the depths of the Pacific Ocean. The sound was unlike anything they had ever heard before. It was low frequency, loud, and sustained for over a minute. It was as if some colossal creature was calling out from the abyss. The discovery of bloop sent shockwaves through the scientific community. What could have produced such a sound? Was it a giant squid, a colossal whale, or something else entirely? Theories abounded, but no one could say for sure. The mystery of bloop had begun. News of the bloop spread quickly, capturing the imaginations of people around the world. The sound, recorded on hydrophones used to monitor underwater volcanic activity, was a deep, rumbling moan that seemed to defy explanation. It was a sound that seemed to come from the very heart of the unknown. Scientists at NOAA were baffled. They analyzed the sound, trying to identify its source. They ruled out all known man-made sources, such as submarines and underwater explosions. They also ruled out all known natural sources, such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The sound was simply too loud and too unique to be explained by anything they knew. The mystery of the bloop deepened. The sound had been picked up by multiple hydrophones, indicating that it was incredibly powerful. In fact, it was one of the loudest underwater sounds ever recorded. And it had originated in a remote part of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of miles from any known civilization. The bloop was not just loud, it was also strangely melodic. It rose and fell in pitch, almost like a song. Some people claimed that it sounded like the call of a giant sea monster. Others said it sounded like the groaning of the earth itself. Scientists analyzed the sound's spectrograph, a visual representation of its frequencies over time. The bloop spectrograph was unique. It showed a rapid increase in frequency, followed by a slow decrease, creating a distinctive upsweep pattern. This pattern was unlike any known animal vocalization or geophysical event. The bloop's unusual characteristics fueled speculation. Some scientists suggested that the sound could be caused by a new type of underwater phenomenon. Others speculated that it could be the vocalization of a massive, undiscovered sea creature. The idea of a giant sea monster lurking in the depths of the ocean has captivated humans for centuries. From the Kraken of Norse mythology to the Leviathan of the Bible, tales of colossal sea creatures have been passed down through generations. The bloop seemed to lend credence to these ancient legends. Could the bloop be the call of a creature so massive that it dwarfed even the largest whales? Some people believed so. They pointed to the sound's power and its unusual characteristics as evidence. They speculated that the bloop could be the call of a giant squid, a colossal octopus, or even a prehistoric plesiosaur. While the idea of a giant sea monster was intriguing, it remained highly speculative. There was no scientific evidence to support the existence of such creatures, and the bloop, while mysterious, was not conclusive proof. As scientists continued to study the bloop, a more plausible explanation emerged. In the early 2000s, researchers at NOAA began to focus on the possibility that the sound could be caused by ice shelves breaking apart in Antarctica. Ice shelves are massive platforms of ice that float on the ocean's surface. As they melt and break apart, they create powerful seismic waves that can travel thousands of miles through the water. These waves can produce sounds that are surprisingly similar to the bloop. In 2008, NOAA researchers announced that they had recorded numerous sounds similar to the bloop emanating from ice shelves in Antarctica. These sounds had the same low-frequency, upsweeping pattern as the bloop. The researchers concluded that it was highly likely that the bloop was also caused by ice shelf movements. The ice shelf explanation is widely accepted as the most likely explanation for the bloop. However, it is important to note that it is still just a theory. Scientists have not definitively proven that the bloop was caused by ice, and there are still some who believe that the sound could have a more exotic origin. The mystery of the bloop reminds us that the ocean is a vast and unexplored realm. It is a place where strange and wonderful things can happen, and it is a place that still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. While the bloop may have been explained, the ocean continues to whisper its enigmatic tales, reminding us of the boundless wonders that lie hidden beneath the waves.